Welcome back, guys. This is CWC, and we're having another unboxing. Today it's from WWE Shop, so this is going to be a quick unboxing. And yeah, let's see what I got. There's paperwork and stuff. First thing that we got on the list, Firefly Funhouse Fiend and Alexa Bliss t-shirt. It's a very nice t-shirt. This next one's my favorite that I've gotten so far. This is a Stone Cold Steve Austin Don't Trust Anybody t-shirt. It's a really nice t-shirt. I love Stone Cold Steve Austin, and me and my friends, we all love Stone Cold. By the way, stick to the end of the video. There will be an announcement for a giveaway for the Heath Slater autograph. And last but not least, the Undertaker Last Ride t-shirt. So yeah, I got 3 t-shirts, and this is when they had the 50% off t-shirt sale, and then I used code WWE Save 5, I believe it is. I used Honey. Be sure to download Honey. But anyways, to get into the quick update on the giveaway, like, comment, and subscribe, and like and comment on my Pro Wrestling Crate video, and comment what your favorite thing about that video was. The rules will be posted up after this video, like on the end of the video after my outro. But once I get enough comments and subscribers, I'll pick a winner. And yeah, that's just how easy it works. And we'll do more giveaways from stuff that I get from the Pro Wrestling Crate, or just things that I have in general. But yeah, thanks guys.